Welcome to Atomy Toronto Downtown Education Center. Come in. Hello everyone. My name is Ruben Fernando, Star Master all the way from Toronto Downtown Education Center. Just want to say welcome to everyone. Way back 4 years ago, that's how we started. And I have seen how this education center grow. My team, partners, that was exactly that I can see the numbers. And then from then on, I noticed that there's a way that we can have our own, we call the home. But prior to that, I start renting basement, party room, as well at the back of the church. And then sometimes when it's raining, I was wet and soaked with the laptop and the computer. So since then, that's what make us determined to open and get this center. Most of our members here are Filipinos. But this center, I say, this is where we just welcome everyone like a family here. And looking the environment, when they come in, they can feel at home, like back in the Philippines. That's the nature of my center. And that's how I want everyone to feel when they come into this center. Not only for Filipinos, but for everyone as well. Like a dad, at the same time, I'm a mom. In a sense, I always value and take care every individual in this education center. I just don't want to look at them because of my vested interest. I look at them when they come here that I'm a dad following that philosophy of a baby philosophy. You know, that's one thing I love so much. When I see members coming in, and that's how I feel for them. I said to myself, I want to be their dad and mom that they can cry and lean on. When they come to see me, I am here wanting to help them. And when they fall, I want them to come back again and start walking again and guide them and show them the way. That's what I want to be. That's what I am, I guess, to everybody. Yes, remember that I applied our education center way back 2.5 years ago, but I got approval sometimes in July 2nd, 2020. So to make it short, I'm like 2-year-old education center here in Toronto Downtown Center. But you know what? I can see the 8 steps of success, which the last one was or is duplication. I think that's what helps a lot to get this improvement and we get the number raised here in Toronto Downtown Center. By following that, I guess the way that I really focusing on the members is to educate them to learn and follow that step. If they will literally do it, and that's what I can see the number grow, because not only I'm doing here the meetings every Saturday, on top of I'm gathering meetings here on Saturday, they are also having their own meeting outside. So duplication is the key that I have seen that this center grow that rapidly. I remember 2 years ago when we started. And that was really a very basic that we have roof above us. And we were so blessed and thankful to have that. But you know one thing most that I won't forget? It's the definition of teamwork. When I use the word definition of teamwork, I use it how we members work together by giving their own talent and skills. By sharing that their own talent and skills, someone know how to sweep the floor, someone can clean, someone can do the painting, someone can give me some know-how about the architectural design, someone even how far they are, They came all over here and offered their help to me. And not only offering their help, some of them, they have a talent of baking, cooking. They brought some food and we gathered all together here. Those something that I will cherish for life. Those something that I will never forget. And if there's memories that I will cherish the rest of my life, I guess the way how they demonstrate it. And I look in the big picture of Atomy. I guess Atomy, that's the ideal way for me to grow my team, and together we will all succeed. Okay, the day that I felt that moment, being a center manager, it's not a bed of roses. You have to undergo valleys and hills. But the day when you feel like you were able to guide them and show them the way, and you see that there's a step of change, that was an accomplishment. For me, every step that they move up and they grow and they follow Atomy model and system that I can see in them, that's accomplishment with me. Accomplishment with me, it's something I can see them that from baby steps and they're growing into the next level of their age. And I have seen that. Every time I'm here, I have seen they do their own damn facial demo. They do their own showing the company comp plan. And by seeing all those, that's exactly I said to myself, thank you, Ruben, for showing them the way. And I guess that's an accomplishment. Yes, the reason why I love to come here every day, it doesn't matter, it's Christmas, New Year's, every day's weekends, I'm here. I guess I understand really this time how to value myself and being here. You know why? I guess it's a calling. When I use the word calling, it's not like I'm here, I'm obliged to work. It's not a work, it's not a job. It's the passion I have in me. I'm determined to do what I want to do because I love so much. And it's not like I'm coming here because I'm obliged. No. Every time I come here, I'm so happy. And I feel the joy in me. Every time I meet someone and I can show them the value of Atomy, that I'm with this billion-dollar company, I feel accomplishment in my life. Our education center goal is to have more and more auto sales master. We are focusing on that. I really want them to experience passive income. The only way we understand residual income, if they will reach that level. And I'm so blessed and thankful that we work so hard that I can see that most of our partners will get to their auto sales master. And that first club, that's what I'm wanting to see everyone, and that's our goal, that they will get to that club. As an Atomian, my goal is to help every members around the globe that be part of Toronto Downtown Center to see them and understand how Atomy can change their life. My endmost and utmost being an Atomian is to let them see that this is the right company. This is not a mistake. This is not by choice. This is exactly where we are determined. And I want all the global partners under the roof of Toronto Downtown Center to be part of this success and experience the true definition of what Mr. Hangelpark says, balanced life. Balanced life, that four dimension, really matters a lot. We need to understand that, and that's exactly I want them to see. Love, learn, educate, and then feel that environment. That's what I want to see every partners around the globe.
There's no center in Calgary, and that is my deciding factor to open up a center. I cannot do business presentation. I hate reading books. Now, I developed the liking, having reading books every day. Why? To equip myself to be an effective and inspiration leader. Because we enjoy learning. You know, we never stop learning. So, its Calgary Triumph Center aims for every member to achieve success and victory.